The 2026 FIFA World Cup became the greatest test of Cristiano Ronaldo's career. Portugal had fought through a difficult journey, winning only 2 matches while drawing 2. Every game was a battle, and every victory came with pain and sacrifice. At 41 years old, Ronaldo knew this could be his final World Cup. Before every match, he looked at the Portuguese flag and whispered, "One last dream." The road ahead was filled with giants, and no one knew whether Portugal would lift the trophy. But Ronaldo reminded his teammates that champions are not remembered for easy victories. They are remembered for never giving up. As the stadium echoed with the voices of millions, Ronaldo stepped onto the pitch with tears in his eyes, knowing this might be the last time he wore Portugal's World Cup jersey. Whether Portugal became world champions or not, one truth would never change. Cristiano Ronaldo had already inspired generations with his courage, passion, and relentless belief. Sometimes the greatest victory is not only lifting the trophy, it is leaving behind a legacy that the world will never forget.